Okay, so how to do it in Substance, the painting thing. Let's get out of this, or let's go to basic soft. Okay. And I think you need a paint layer. The other thing is in texture set settings, we need to create a user channel, name it world or whatever, but it needs to match the normal RGB 16F. So I think that's RG 16 float. Okay. And then I already, or I have not, I baked out these object space normals from Blender. I'm going to drag them in here, put them on texture. Yeah, and say just into this project. Okay, so there's the normals. And within this, I don't quite remember how I did this, but you can drag it in there and then see the world. It's not going to show up. So I think what I did was I had a fill layer below. And maybe I had this in the, okay, so it's there. Who knows, maybe even a color, base color. Okay, so it's a fill layer, and then you add paint, paint layer, click base color. You can type in color jitter. Dynamic strokes, you do random per stroke, and you can even increase the jitter amount, and maybe we want to, let's just for testing, we'll do purple. And then in the world color, go to visualize the world, and then go to eyedropper. Now I can just hit, wait a minute, I think I can do this, and now it's open. So now if I hit I, I want that one. So now I'm painting the world, but I think it's also painting the base. Yeah, so I can hit I. And then if you really want to go overboard, you can look up brushes, paint. Turn down the flow, hold control and drag, then hit I. Nope. Then hit I.